march. I will demonstrate this and then we go outside. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right, quick, march, left, right, left, right, left, right. Can you see? Swing the arms. Because naturally, unlike white slaves, we have a lot of rhythm in our bodies. And this is not what white people can't, they don't have rhythm in them. So when white people march, they ask me, you can say, Master guys, what do you Are you also going to march like this? No? You have rhythm. You see, when you read the book of Judges, it is in that chapter that God has spoken to the children of Israel. Then there was instruction on the beat of the drum. You need to march in columns of 3. So they were marching around the walls of Jericho. Is it okay? And so it came tumbling down. And if you march, you don't march like this. You enjoy your left, right, left, right, left, right. Remember, I don't rush. And I want you as Pathfinders to remember you. We are not going left, right, left, right. We are not going to do that now. It needs to be rhythmic. Is it okay? So, if your body has stuff, I can understand if you have arthritis. If not, you need to use it. It's an old body, this one, but it still has something in it. Is it okay? So, you see my thumbs locked. You see my arms? I'm not scared too much. Not this. Ooh, no, not this. I will come back to your church, and then I'm going to ask you to march you. Maybe one Sabbath morning. Is it okay? Yes. All right. Any questions? No questions. Now, when you do rise race,